This is Jack Rolio, famously known for calling out scammy traders and gurus who lie to people and run fraudulent schemes. He's exposed fake traders in videos like this.
Now we've covered all types of scammers on this channel, right? We've spoken about people and their fake success rate, people.
And this.
With another video today, we're going to talk about precision FX with scam the client.
And this.
We're back with another video with traders getting caught in 4K.
But lately, Jack Rolio has been talking about something different. Wealthflow.
A trader that wants other people to copy from your trades, you can also plug yourself in. There's a verification system that you need to go through. Also, I'll leave all of the information in the description box below. If you are looking for a copy trading service, go check out Wealthflow today.
So, why is one of the most trusted Forex watchdogs talking about Wealthflow? The reason is simple. 3 key points. What are the uniqueness of Wealthflow? Did you know that Wealthflow is the first ever verification-based copy trading platform in the world? Here's how it works. Before traders are listed on Wealthflow, they go through a 90-day verification process with strict rules they must follow, such as Rule 1, never reach a 10% drawdown. Violation leads to immediate disqualification. Rule 2, never exceed a 5% daily drawdown. Another disqualifier. Rule 3, maintain a consistent profit margin of 3% to 25% monthly. Once traders pass, they're listed on the platform, but it doesn't stop there. They must continuously follow these rules. If they fail at any point, the algorithm flags and delists them immediately. 2. Transparency of Wealthflow. Unlike most so-called gurus selling unverified Telegram signals, Wealthflow ensures complete transparency. Here's what you can see about every verified trader: their past trades, their current running trades, their monthly profits, the specific trading pairs they use, their overall performance history. With this level of transparency, Wealthflow ensures no deception. Every trader operates in plain view for all to see. 3. Wealthflow is beneficial to every type of trader. Wealthflow isn't just for pro traders or beginners, it's for everyone. As a newbie trader, you can earn passively while learning. As a pro trader, you can make subscription fees when listed on the platform. As a busy professional, you make money effortlessly from copy-verified traders without spending hours on charts. Here's how you can start earning from copy trading on Wealthflow as a user. Sign up for free on the platform. Browse verified and listed traders. Check out their performance and trading history. Subscribe to the trader of your choice. Connect your account with one click. Start earning passively. Profits are replicated in your account without any manual work, even while you sleep. And for professional traders, go through Wealthflow's verification system. Once you qualify, get listed on the platform with a personal trader's dashboard. Earn additional income from subscriber fees without changing your trading routine or adding any stress. These are the 3 reasons honest and respected traders like Jack Rolio, Frank FX, and others are talking about Wealthflow. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out this next video where we reveal more about how to earn from copy trading without using your own money.